and I just love the way that the autumn trees look. I mean, it looks like we're getting into winter really. And then getting back up into the sky, looking at the sun, and I came across a massive flock of pigeons. So I managed to get a quick capture of that, but thought I'd leave them alone soon after this. And then back to the sites of, I guess, High Rocks, the Mount Ephraim Road. It's just so steady in the air, and the footage is just so sharp. There's still a bit of flicker, even though the anti-flicker is on, but I'm sure we'll sort that out as I get more and more practice with it, and I get more used to processing the footage as well. So this was another morning slightly later. The frost had cleared, but it was still freezing cold, but gorgeously sunny. So I went down to some local orchards, which have got this amazing triangle of woodlands in between them, and back over the orchards, but this time observing the lines and getting higher and higher. And as you'll see, we're on top of a ridge here, so as you get slightly higher, you can start to see further off into the distance, and I'll explore that a bit more when I manage to get out again. Thanks for watching. These are just some of the first clips that I've got with my Mini 5 Pro. I'm going to be out there playing a lot more, exploring what I can do, seeing what I can capture. So there'll be many more videos coming, and I hope you'll like and subscribe and catch up soon.